Dear brothers in Christ, I'm grateful to Bishop Maxim for this opportunity. In this course, we'll have the opportunity to discuss various topics of pastoral psychology that are pertinent to our pastoral work. We're going to start with delving into the motivation to become priests, which means that we're going to examine latent motivation for that and possible traps that appear in our pastoral work, burnout included as well. And then, after that, we're going to examine various points of parish life, relationships between the priest and the congregation, also some latent aspects of these relationships in order to avoid traps and to improve our performance as spiritual guides of the people. Also, special attention will be paid at the particular era we are living in, which is postmodernity, in order to understand better what the culture surrounding us is and what are the pastoral challenges that are presented by it. So please register in order to have this opportunity to discuss and deepen our knowledge mutually. I'm also going to benefit from your experience because you work in this special society, which is America. God bless you.